In this video, we will cover the next set of operators called relational operators. Relational operators tell you whether something is true or false. They are used for evaluating conditions and, based on whether the condition is satisfied or not, they return true or false. You can see the relational operators here. First one is double equal to operator. It is used to check for equality. Meaning, if you wish to check if some data is of a particular value, we use this. It is different from the standard single equal to operator. How? If you want to store some value, you use single equal to operator. If you want to check for equality condition, you would use double equal to operator. Next is the not equal to operator. It is exactly the opposite. It is used to check for negative conditions, meaning, if you want to verify that data is not equal to a particular value, you would use this operator. So, let's say, if we wish to verify that John's age is not 25, we use not equal to operator. On the other hand, if you want to verify whether John's age is 25, you'll use the double equal to operator. The next four are the standard operators, which have the same meaning as they do in mathematics. They're very simple. Let's go ahead and look at the behavior of relational operators with real examples. We have two variables, x is 10, y is 20. If we write the condition x double equal to y, what would it print? Double equal to checks for equality, right? Is 10 equal to 20? No. Hence, the result returned by Java when it evaluates this condition is false. Next, is x not equal to y? X is 10, y is 20. They are not equal. So, is x not equal to y? Yes. So the value returned by Java for this case is true. How about this next one? Is x less than y? Yes. This one is, hence, true. Next, is x less than equal to y? 10 is less than 20. 10 is also not equal to 20. So, the answer is true again. Next, is x greater than y? No. Hence, you get false. Is x greater than or equal to y? Again, no. The answer is false again. Let's check another example. X equals 20, y equals 20. Now, is x equal to y? Meaning, are x and y the same? Yes. The answer is true. Next, is x not equal to y? No, that's wrong. X is equal to y. So, this one returns false. Next, is x less than y? They are both equal, so x is not less than y. Hence, this is false. How about this? Is x less than or equal to y? X is not less than y, but it is equal to y. So, this one is true. Next, is x greater than y? They are both equal. So, x is not greater than y. Hence, this is false. How about this? Is x greater than or equal to y? X is not greater than y, but it is equal to y. So, this one is true. I hope these examples were helpful. So there you have it. That's all about relational operators. Thank you.